So I had something planned, but obviously I want to support my brother. So my brother's released a new music video and I haven't seen any leaks, nothing. So let's see. I can't wait to see this. The only thing I know is that it's boxing related. That's the only thing I know. Ooh, let's go. Anne-Marie, ex KSI, digital farm animals, don't play. Ooh, okay.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Sheesh, alright.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Hey, JJ said he has to do. And you know what? The fact that he can take the piss out of himself, that's brilliant.
It's deep, don't play.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking and
oh! I helped you get a UAV. I still can help you get that AC. Hey, AC was. Hey, see that? I'm catching the buzz.
UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
I hope you see my snap because I'm not ready for us to rap. You know, like when you say like it's a rap, it's done. I'm catching the buzz. You see that? I'm just catching them. I'm just getting them. Come on, I'm doing this. I'm getting the buzz. Just putting it in there.
Don't play games with my heart.
Is she gonna knock them out now?
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play.
I'm trying to take my mask off.
All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying.
Well, that's a bit of a mad transition. She gets bullied, she does training, and now she's doing underground fighting. Bruh. That's a mad transition. Alright.
Yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing.
Yeah, what training is she doing? She just kicked a man through the wall. But I need that.
Yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
I'm getting picked on, like school bullied or something, and now, yeah, I like this. This is sick.
Don't play games with my heart.
Oh, that's the champion.
When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Oh wait, was that the girl who bullied her? Wait, I need to check this. Wait, let me check the beginning. Was that the girl who bullied her? Oh, it was the girl who bullied her. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's the girl who bullied her. All right. Now she's getting revenge. I get it.
When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart.
Oh, sheesh. Sheesh, the taekwondo.
When the hitting is deep, don't
Woo.
play.
all day. Hey, that's sick. I like that. I like that. I like that. That's well done. Well done. That's sick. Guys, make sure you support my bro's song. Go watch it. Stream it everywhere. Do everything. Alright, let's get JJ another platinum. You know what I mean? Damn straight. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Have yourself a good day.
VIP, stay low key. Like bando, bitch, oh please, yeah. Brand new whip, no keys, yeah. Get down on knees, yeah, yeah. Come step to me, yeah, yeah. Like VIP, stay low key. Like bando, bitch, oh please, yeah. Brand new whip, no keys, yeah. Get down on knees, yeah, yeah. Come step to me, yeah.